Hello, hi, good morning, and welcome to biology class. So, in our previous class, we have studied about the Griffiths experiment. Okay, and today we will discuss about Hershey and Chase experiment. So, what is Hershey and Chase experiment? So, Hershey and Chase conducted an experiment to prove that DNA is the genetic material. Okay, so for the experiment, they take a an organism that is bacteriophage. Okay, so what is bacteriophage? Bacteriophage is an organism in which you can found that viruses are living inside the bacterial cell. If viruses are living inside the bacterial cell, then that organism is known as bacteriophage. Okay, so in 11th class also you found that this type of bacteriophage you have seen in your book, yes or no? So this is also structure of what bacteriophage. Okay, they take this similar kind of vectorphage to prove that DNA is the genetic material. Okay, so they start the experiment, and what they did actually, they take two medium for growing of the virus, bacteriophage virus. Okay, so this is medium 1, this is medium 2. Okay, so he made two medium for culturing or for growing of bacteriophage virus. Okay, so medium 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the medium 1 for growing of bacteriophage virus, and this is for medium 2 growing media for bacteriophage virus. So they add uh, radioactive phosphorus, okay, in this medium, and in this medium 2 they add radioactive sulfur with this medium. Okay, and they prepare the medium, then they grow some viruses or bacteriophage viruses in this medium and some bacteriophage virus in this medium. Okay, so when they grow day after day, then this medium to bacteriophage virus contains some the protein. Okay, and this radioactive phosphorus containing bacteriophage virus contains radioactive DNA. Okay, so in this radioactive phosphorus medium, the viruses those who are growing produces radioactive DNA, and the viruses bacteriophage viruses those who are growing in the radioactive sulfur medium, they contain protein. Okay, so radioactive sulfur containing bacteriophage contains protein, and radioactive phosphorus growing medium radioactive phosphorus containing viruses contains radioactive DNA. Okay, clear? Okay, so they take separate test tube, or in a separate test tube they take phosphorus containing viruses in another tube, and they take sulfur containing viruses in another tube. Okay, so they here is two tube, here two test tube 1 and 2. Okay, so in one test tube they take phosphorus containing viruses, and medium, and in test tube 2 they take sulfur containing or sulfur growing the viruses those who are growing in the radioactive sulfur medium. Okay, so what they did, they add a bacteria, that is E. coli. E. coli is a bacteria. So he put some E. coli bacteria with this phosphorus containing viruses, and they also put some other E. coli bacteria with this test tube. Okay, so after infection of the E. coli by these two types of bacteriophage viruses, what they observed that one thing, before observation, what they did after infection of E. coli, then they separate the viral coats from the bacteria by the process of agitation in the blender. Okay, and then the culture was taken. Then they do centrifuge. Then they centrifuge that bacteriophage cell or bacterial cell in the centrifuge machine. So we know that in centrifuge machine, whatever the solution or culture was given, that was separated on the basis of their heavy or lighted particle. According to that, they formed a layer. On the basis of that, we can remove the viral particle from the bacterial cell. Okay, so now we found that some E. coli bacterial cell, final E. coli bacterial cell from the culture, and from this culture we have removed all the viral particles that have infected to this E. coli bacteria. Now they take this infected E. coli bacteria and observed वेरी कीनली, वो अच्छे तरीके से इसको देखने लगे. क्या ऑब्जर्व करने लगे? व्हाट दे ऑब्जर्व एंड व्हाट आर द कंक्लूजन ऑफ हर्शियंसिस. They found that the bacterial cell of E. coli was attached with the radioactive phosphorus bacteriophage DNA or particle. Okay, but the radioactive sulfur 35 grown viral particle or the viral producing protein was found in the surrounding medium of the bacterial cell, of the yeast cell. Okay, so this indicates that what DNA of phosphorus containing bacteriophage transformed into the bacterial cell. This is the yeast cell, and we found that the viral DNA is found in the inside the cell, but the protein which are produced from the sulfur containing viruses, that protein is not entered into the bacterial cell, so that we can say that only DNA entered into the bacterial cell but not protein. Okay, so this proves that Hershey and Chase found that they conclude that DNA is the genetic material which is passed from virus to bacteria and not protein. तो वो क्या बोले कि वायरस से बैक्टीरिया तक जो डीएनए आया है वो आ सकता है क्योंकि वो जेनेटिक मटेरियल है, लेकिन प्रोटीन तो नहीं आ पाया बैक्टीरिया सेल के अंदर. सो दैट जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज कैन बी पास फ्रॉम virus to bacteria or from one body to another body. Okay, so this was the Hershey and Chase experiment. We also know about the characteristics of genetic material. The genetic material should be able to generate its own replica. वो अपने आप जैसा बना सकता है बहुत सारा. It should be chemically and structurally stable. ये chemically structurally stable हो सकता है. It should be able to undergo slow and gradual चेंजेस. अगर ग्रेजुअल और स्लो चेंजेस हो रहा है जेनेटिक मटेरियल में तो उसको क्या कहने लगेंगे? म्यूटेशन कहने लगेंगे. और इस म्यूटेशन के वजह से धीरे धीरे चेंजेस होगा और उसका ऑर्गेनिज्म के फिनोटाइप्स में भी चेंजेस आएगा. तो वो धीरे धीरे क्या होगा ना, उसका ओल्ड स्पेसीज से एक नया स्पेसीज बनाने लगेगा. तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? इवोल्यूशन कहते हैं. तो हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं म्यूटेशन इज द रिजल्ट. जब म्यूटेशन का रिजल्ट देखेंगे तब हम इवोल्यूशन ही पाएंगे. ठीक है। सो इट शुड बी एबल टू स्टोर जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन विच इज इनहेरिटेड। और ये जेनेटिक मटेरियल क्या करता है ना, ये स्टोर करता है जेनेटिक मटेरियल, और जो पेरेंट्स से ऑफस्प्रिंग्स तक जब ट्रांसफ़र होता है तब ये जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता है। और क्या हो सकता है, इट शुड बी जेनेटिक मटेरियल शुड बी एबल टू एक्सप्रेस इटसेल्फ, ये अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर सकता है जेनेटिक मटेरियल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मेंडेलियन कैरेक्टर। ओके, तो मेंडेलियन कैरेक्टर जैसे ट्रांसफ़र होता था हम मेंडेलिज्म में पढ़े थे, वैसा ही जेनेटिक मटेरियल भी ट्रांसफ़र हो सकता है, एक्सप्रेस कर सकता है। ओके, सो in our next class we will see the structure of RNA, how the ribonucleic acid is formed, and what are the types of RNA. All about those things we will discuss in our next class. So thank you, have a nice day.